What's up, y'all? I am Kanin Cuisine, the smoked lamb specialist. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. Today, we are doing lemon curd salmon, broiled lemon curd salmon. This is a very easy dish, a very quick dish, something new to a lot of you, something that will change the game for you on a weeknight. And I'm pretty sure some of y'all gonna be scared, but you know what? You gonna do it. You heard me. Yeah, man. So glad you tuned in to the Kanin Cuisine cooking show. So excited that you came to learn something new that will enhance your week this week. So glad I could do something for you, because you're doing something for me by showing up and watching my cooking show. You hear me? I am so excited that you're here. We're gonna go through our ingredients right quick. We got lemon zest, we got grated garlic, we got some Dijon mustard, got some Worcestershire sauce, got a little cilantro for garnish, got your diamond crystal salt, because we don't use table salt. Table salt is for the table. That's if you gotta use it. And then we got coarse black pepper. Then we got the star of the show, which is lemon curd. Lemon curd is made with eggs, sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, and what else they got in here that I didn't say? Butter, but that's lemon curd. Lemon curd, for the most part, is used on desserts, but we're gonna use it on salmon today, and it's so delicious. We got 4 pieces of salmon right here. We ain't got the thick kind. We got the fairly slim pieces of salmon. This is what you want when you're broiling, because broiling is like a fast cooking technique. So you don't want nothing too thick, because if it's too thick, it's gonna be burnt before it get done. We don't want that. We want it to be just right. So we're gonna set this salmon off to the side, and we're going to make our lemon curd topping. So what we're gonna do first is open this right here, and we need a third cup of lemon curd for this recipe. So that's about 6 tablespoons. So we're gonna do 1, we're gonna do 2, then we're gonna do 3, and 4, and we're gonna hit 5, and then we're gonna hit 6. So that's about a third cup right there per Google. You hear me? Because I be consulting Google when I be cooking, so I can get this stuff just right or almost close. This is about 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard right here. I'm gonna put that in there. Then we got some grated garlic. It's about, what I do, about 7, 8 cloves of grated garlic, because I like garlic. Then we got some lemon zest. That's off about 2 lemons. Then we got a tablespoon or so of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're gonna put in a little salt. Then we're gonna put in a little pepper, like that right there. Then we're gonna get our whisk. Gonna whisk this all together. Gonna be kind of thick, but that's cool. Don't take long. It's gonna mix up real fast for you. That's about it right there. That's all you gotta do. Sometimes your zest gonna get caught up in them little wires, but knock that on out. All right, next, we're gonna get our salmon here. Put that to the side. Throw this over here. Get our salmon. Let me get my broiler ready, because like I said, this don't take long at all. Get the broiler going. We're gonna season these Salt and pepper, that's all you need. If you think that this recipe is gonna be real lemony, like I thought it was gonna be lemony as hell, for lack of better words. I just thought it was gonna be lemony as hell, but it is not. And I'm seasoning with this diamond crystal. You know, diamond crystal is a less salty salt, so you can kind of go ham if you're used to using table salt for everything, because table salt is very salty, whereas diamond crystal is not so much as salty. We're gonna put a little black pepper on here on the outside. See, we almost done. All we gotta do is cook. All right. So, we'll take our brush. I like these silicone brushes. I forgot where I think I got it from Dollar Tree. They wasn't but $1. But you know, you use the cloth or cotton mops. They don't last that long. I don't believe you can get them clean. Whereas these silicone brushes, you can get them clean. You can clean this all the way up. You can do this over and over and over. And it's heat resistant, which is another good thing. So what we're gonna do with this lemon curd, we're just gonna slap it on like so. And I thought you had to be kind of scary with the amount that you put on there, but like I said, you think it's gonna be super lemony, it is not. It's gonna be just right, so don't be scared. Cause the first time I did this recipe, I was scared and I thought it was gonna be super duper lemony, but it is not gonna be that. You can go and just put on there how you wanna do. It can be a thick coating. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. So we're gonna put it on there like so. Hope you can see it on the other camera with the overhead camera over there. Try to make it easy for you. I try to treat you like I wanted to be treated when I was first learning how to cook, watching all them videos. You know, everybody ain't gonna teach you the way that you need to be taught. So I hope I can help somebody, whoever need to be taught this way. I hope I'm that person for you. So I'm trying to help you be a superstar in your own kitchen, at your house, with your family, in your company. You hear me? All right, there's one side right there. Now we're gonna flip this on over to the other side. It's gonna be your presentation side. I'll do the bottom first. And then the last side I do is gonna be the presentation side, which is the side people gonna see. Oh, I'm sorry. We gotta do the salt and pepper. I'm going too fast. All right. I'm messing up all the way. Let me scoot up here and wash my hands. Start over. We're gonna start over. Sometime while you cooking, you're gonna have to start over. We caught it in a good spot. So this gonna happen. And that's another reason I like about this changing of the camera style that I'm using to cook on the cooking show now. So you can see how to troubleshoot, because you know, a lot of videos, they're gonna show you the perfect way to do it. They ain't gonna show no mistakes or nothing, but on here, we're gonna show you how to troubleshoot, because you're gonna have to troubleshoot if you're cooking. Okay, so what we just did, there wasn't no bad mistake. We can save that. So we're just gonna put a little salt on here, a little pepper, just like we did on the other side. And then we're gonna coat it up with this lemon curd. And we're gonna be ready for the broiler. Cause the broiler don't take long to be ready. But one thing about that broiler, it'll kill your whole dish in a matter of minutes. So you gotta keep on checking on it. When you put it in the broiler, you gotta keep looking at it. You gotta not be like how they normally tell you, don't be checking on your food all the time. When you messing with that broiler, you gotta look at that food, because it'll be burnt in a minute. We don't want no burnt food, we want that good food. We want everybody to be excited because you in the kitchen. We want everybody to be like, yeah, mama in there doing it up, or dad in the kitchen. Ooh, we gonna eat good today. Cause a lot of people probably eating Popeyes and eating McDonald's and frozen food. You know, we want you to be cooking something fresh from scratch, something delicious, as much as you can. Because I know you grown, you got kids and family and all that. You ain't got no whole bunch of time just be stunting all the time. But when you can stunt, We want you to stunt real good. But see how I did it? That's all you need right there. That's good. So we're gonna put it on my other pan because I like to use my old grandmama and them pans. See, they old as hell. I got new pans too. It's just something about these old grandmama and them pans I like, and I put the little non-stick Reynolds wrap foil on there. Don't ask me why. I just like doing it. So we're gonna put them over here on here. We're gonna put each piece on there like so. Just like that right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looked like. You good to go right there. We're gonna set this tray over here on this side. We're gonna scoot our stainless steel table up this way. You got a little kitchen, let me tell you, the stainless steel rolling table like that, it's gonna save you, man. You're gonna feel like you got a big kitchen, but you don't, because I ain't got no big kitchen. All right, here we go. With your broiler, you want to make sure that your, let me wash my hand. Hold on. I don't want to mess up my mittens. All right. With your broiler, you want to make sure that your rack is up high, not all the way to the top, but you want it higher than normal, because you want that heat. That's what broiling all about, is having that top heat on your food. So we want that kind of high. You don't want it right there on the flame up there, but you want it kind of close. And with this right here, you're gonna broil it anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the type of broiler that you have. Mine, you know, I've had to change the element on mine 2-3 times. I had my stove a while, so I really ain't learned it this last time since I fixed it how I do. So I just keep checking on it. So what we gonna do, we gonna skip from here to the next part, because I know y'all just don't want to sit here and wait 10 minutes for the fish to get done. So as soon as it get done, I'm pull it out, and then, you know, we're gonna do what it do. Let me interrupt your lesson right quick to let you know or remind you that I am Kanin Cuisine, the smoked lamb specialist. I have some of the best smoked racks of lamb you ever had, and it's right here in Memphis, Tennessee. Go to canincuisine.com for pricing and details, and I swear, if it ever get in your mouth, you gonna come back, you gonna want another one, and I'm gonna give it to you. You heard? All right, y'all. Okay. All right, we done. For my oven, this time it was approximately 6 minutes for the salmon to be all the way done. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but got a little crispy right there, but I like that. When it's crispy and a little dark like that, that's gonna be my piece, because I like that. But if you just want it to be like a regular color, this is fine right here, but I'm more so of a caramelized kind of guy. But that's all it takes, is about 6 minutes, and you're done with your broiled salmon, broiled lemon curd salmon. So we'll take this little piece right here, add this to the plate. Of course, you can put this with any type of asparagus. We'll say some broccoli, some spinach, some corn. You can do it with bok choy. Anything you could think of, really go with this fish. It's not too complicated. Let me put this over here so you can get a better shot. I got a little cilantro. I wanted dill. Dill would go much better than cilantro, but since this is what I had, this is what we're gonna go with today, because when you're cooking, you ain't gonna always have the ingredients that you wish to have. You're gonna have to compromise and make some work that you didn't plan on working. So that's a part of cooking, but there you go right there. That is a marvelous piece of fish right there. Weeknight, whole family happy if they eat fish and if they eat salmon. I love something quick because, you know, weeknight most time you working, especially you a paramedic like me working in the hospital, you working 12-hour shift, and you come home, you ain't trying to be doing all that cooking. So it's easy to go to Popeyes, go to KFC, go to McDonald's, stop somewhere, give your family fast food, or give them something out the freezer, you know, and heat some up. This all processed or what have you, when you could just have something real like this here. Don't take that long. And you know, if this recipe blesses you, you know, let me know in the comments or whatever that you know, this recipe helped me out, because that's what I'm all about, helping you have something else to eat. We're gonna taste this thing too. I know it's hot, but you know, gotta let y'all see how delicious this is. I don't know if that camera can get it, but ooh, I'm sorry. See how moist and flaky that is? Very nice. 6 minutes. All right, it's hot. I hope it don't burn me. Oh Lord, I'm gonna holler if it burns me. That's delicious. Every time I eat this, it be good. Marvelous. Like I said, 6 minutes. Everybody eating good, so moist. I hope the camera can get it. Man, that thing is wet. It ain't dry. That albumin ain't skeeting all out the side. You know how albumin, that white stuff, be skeeting all out the side. Ain't no albumin coming out the side. It's just all, my bad, good fish. That's what you want right there. So please like, share, and subscribe. If this video blesses you, let me know in the comments what you think. Shoot some ideas in there, stuff that you might want me to cook. And also go to CaninCuisine.com and check out the menu for our delicious smoked racks of lamb, because that's what I do. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. Check out the menu and text I want lamb to 901-729-9544 if you are in the Memphis area. We can have a conversation. We can get that delicious smoked rack of lamb to you and your family, because I do that. I was born to make that smoked rack of lamb. You hear me? So hit me up at 901-729-9544 for that. And other than that, like, share, and subscribe. And come back again to get another recipe, because I love giving you what I got. You heard me.